Can you describe the color? It's I. Again? Yeah. This one. This one. Okay, there's some pink, there's some peach, there's some. It's what's it? Color ivory, some peach color, some white color, or very white color, right? Okay. Okay, what is this? Sky. Okay, what do you see? Lake. Is it a lake? Are you sure?
River.
It's a river. Okay. What else?
Grass.
Grass. What else?
Sunset.
Sun. Now, could you please describe what is the scenery in front of you?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Okay, using your what is it? Eyes. Okay, sense of sight. You can see it.
Yeah.
What is it? Okay, it's beautiful. What else? It's pretty. What else? Imagine yourself, you are there. Okay, you are actually there. Okay, imagine yourself, you are actually there. So, what do you think you're going to feel?
It's calm.
Ozone.